Welcome to Future Fuel. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated SUVs of the year, Toyota's Mini Land Cruiser. If you're a fan of rugged off-roaders but yearn for a more compact and city-friendly package, this one's for you. Toyota's Land Cruiser nameplate has long been associated with durability, off-road prowess, and a go-anywhere attitude. But in recent years, the focus has shifted to making these legendary vehicles more accessible and versatile. Enter the Mini Land Cruiser, a pint-sized powerhouse that blends the iconic Land Cruiser DNA with modern-day practicality. Let's start with the design. The Mini Land Cruiser is a head-turner, borrowing key styling cues from its bigger sibling. A bold front grille, squared-off body panels, and high ground clearance give it a confident and aggressive stance. The retro-inspired circular LED headlights harken back to the classic Land Cruiser models of the past, while contemporary elements like sharp body lines and two-tone paint options bring it squarely into the 21st century. Despite its smaller size, the Mini Land Cruiser doesn't compromise on rugged capability. Under the hood, Toyota has equipped it with a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine, delivering ample power for both city commutes and off-road escapades. Paired with an intelligent all-wheel drive system, this SUV is more than ready to tackle rough terrains, muddy trails, and steep inclines. For those who crave electrification, Toyota is rumored to offer a hybrid variant, blending efficiency with performance to suit the needs of eco-conscious adventurers. The Mini Land Cruiser's off-road features don't end there. It boasts a range of technology designed to give you confidence in any environment. Multi-Terrain Select lets you tailor the vehicle's performance to specific surfaces like sand, mud, or snow. Hill Descent Control and Crawl Control ensure that even the trickiest trails are manageable. And with impressive approach and departure angles, the Mini Land Cruiser is built to handle obstacles with ease. Now, let's step inside. The interior of the Mini Land Cruiser strikes a perfect balance between rugged utility and modern comfort. Durable materials are used throughout, ensuring the cabin can withstand the wear and tear of outdoor adventures. Yet there's no shortage of luxury. Soft touch surfaces, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and optional heated seats make it a pleasant place to spend time. Technology plays a big role in the Mini Land Cruiser's cabin. A large infotainment screen takes center stage, running Toyota's latest software with support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster provides essential driving information at a glance, while advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera ensure peace of mind both on and off the road. Practicality is another strong suit of this compact SUV. The Mini Land Cruiser offers ample cargo space, with rear seats that fold down for even more room. Whether you're loading up camping gear, bicycles, or groceries, this SUV has you covered. And thanks to its smaller footprint, navigating tight city streets or crowded parking lots is a breeze. For enthusiasts, the Mini Land Cruiser offers a variety of customization options. From roof racks to skid plates and all-terrain tires, you can outfit your vehicle to match your specific needs and style. Toyota is also expected to launch TRD performance parts, giving you even more ways to enhance its off-road capabilities. What makes the Mini Land Cruiser truly special is its versatility. It's a vehicle that's equally at home on urban streets, suburban driveways, and remote trails. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a city dweller looking for a capable SUV, or someone who simply appreciates a well-rounded vehicle, the Mini Land Cruiser promises to deliver. With its release, Toyota is set to redefine what it means to be an off-road icon. The Mini Land Cruiser proves that big adventures can come in small packages, making it a game-changer in the compact SUV segment. Thanks for tuning into A Future Fuel. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Toyota's Mini Land Cruiser, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let us know in the comments what excites you most about this compact off-roader. Until next time, keep your engines running and your adventures fueled.